To enable or disable play sound when I turn sticky filter or toggle keys on or off from keyboard in Windows 11 Home, right click on empty area on the desktop and then select personalize. Next, click or tap accessibility. Scroll down the screen and then select keyboard. Select notification preferences. And then on play a sound when I turn sticky filter or toggle keys on or off from keyboard. Check to enable or uncheck to disable. Check to enable or uncheck to disable play sound when I turn sticky filter or toggle keys on or off from keyboard. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.